It just rained all week, and now all of my steel has flash rusted. This could lead to serious problems if left untreated. Thankfully, the solution is quick, easy, and most importantly, it's cheap. All you need is a drill, a wire wheel, and Zinc 550 spray by Wacom. The first step is to clean off all of the rust with your drill and wire wheel. Once you're back to bare steel, use a light coat of the Zinc 550. Check out how the steel looks now. It's beautiful. I frequently use this spray when I worked in trailer manufacturing, and it works wonders. You can also use an angle grinder for flat surfaces. You just got to be careful that you don't wear down too much of the material. This is why for me, it makes more sense to use a wire brush as much as I can. Wire brush also gets into hard to reach places. But if you got flat surfaces, you can use an angle grinder. The links for everything are in the description of this video. If you're planning on tackling your own DIY project or Skoolie conversions, make sure to hit subscribe as I will be coming out with more tips and tricks to save you time and money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.